Take a ride in the 2021 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.